Guys, welcome to Stock Pro. As I've been promising you all throughout that I'm gonna start afresh. Now I think I've done for good about 350, 310 or 3 plus some videos on the Hindi channel. I have made a lot of Nifty videos. I think you are also tired, and even I am tired, and I want to do something new. And I have been doing a lot of research, and that's the reason I'm stopping my live webinar. I mean, of course, there will be a lot of live stuff there as well, but whatever is repetitive, and we're going to make our website as a the a lot of it will be a source of content. Like you will find very serious research out here, right? So I'll take you to my courses. This is a place I would say all of you join, and we'll teach you different nitty-gritties of the stock market. So I'm starting with that endeavor today. Join it free. This is free. Like when you log in, you would just get it free. So today I'm starting in this series my first video, and I'm going to build it up, right? Every time I'm going to take a different topic, and all my research, of course there will be strategies which I'm not going to be teaching here, and one or two strategies you will get it on get it over here, but the more refined strategies you will get separately. So this is, I'm going to start with Heiken Ashi candle. My first presentation to you guys is on Heiken Ashi candles. I believe, see, all of us, when we begin, it's, we look for some kind of indicators, right? And what comes out to our mind is definitely candlestick patterns. Even if it is classic, candlestick pattern, they are Japanese candlestick pattern, but we're going to be talking about Heiken Ashi candle, which are further refined by Japanese. So I'm going to start with this Heiken Ashi candle series, and I'm going to build it up. I do plan about 3 to 4 videos on it, and very basic strategies I will be giving you here. A bit more complex and advanced strategies will be taught in our course, but the simple ones I'll be giving you here. Simple yet profitable. So we're going to be talking about Heiken Ashi candles today, and basically unknown secrets of Heiken Ashi candles. And it's a very simple yet powerful tool for trading. So now let's go about and let's talk about all about Heiken Ashi candles. So first is, what is Heiken Ashi candle? What is the difference between traditional and the Heiken Ashi candle? How to apply it on Zerodha or upstocks, and how to read Heiken Ashi candles. Like if you know the simple candles, how do you read open, low, close, high? Similarly, how do you read Heiken Ashi candles, and how many kinds of Heiken Ashi candles are there? Then advantages and disadvantages, and then trading strategies using Heiken Ashi candles. This will comprise my about 3 to 4 videos, right? Today I'm going to be talking about what are Heiken Ashi candles. So let's go on to the next slide. So what are Heiken Ashi candles? All traders rely on some technical indicators. That's why it's called technical analysis. You rely on some technical indicators. Some are leading, some are lagging. So you want to look for something which gives you an indication, yes, the price is about to have a breakout, or there's a reversal, there's a continuation, either of it. You want to either see the continuation pattern, or you want to see the reversal patterns, or you want to see the breakout stocks. That is what you look for being a trader, right? Most of us, when we begin, we just use simple candles, which are the classic Japanese candles, and we use moving averages, right? And tell me, if you get both of them in one place, like you get the price action of the candle and the moving average together, this is actually done by the Heiken Ashi candles. This is actually done by the Heiken Ashi candle. Such a candle where price and moving averages combine, they present a combination is presented, is called Heiken Ashi candle, right? This is Heiken Ashi candle. And in Japanese, Heiken Ashi means average bar. What does it simply means? It averages out. Before I go on somewhere, I want to tell you that I'm just going to go and take you to the, before let me just complete the entire slide. Then I'll take you to the, graph and explain you. So how are Heiken Ashi candles formed? So the candles follow this formula. The close of a Heiken Ashi candle is basically open plus high plus low plus close, average of all these four. High is basically max value between open, high, and close. Where the candle opened, what was the high, what was the close. Whichever out of these three is the high will give you the high. Low will be basically the minimum between the open, high, and low. The lowest part of the candle will give you the low, and the highest part of the candle will give you the high. Open will be, how do you see the open? Open will be open of the previous bar plus the open of the previous close of the previous bar by 2, right? So see this particular one, this particular last point that I want to see here, this particular point tells us that the candles are not independent candles. The candles are not independent candles. They are basically dependent on the previous candle. Like if you look into this particular point where candle opens is basically depends upon the previous candle. So that means this is basically a relative movement that you see. What do you see in Heiken Ashi candles? A relative movement that you see. And over here, if you see the close of the candle is basically average of the high, open, high, low, and close. Similarly, open is basically the average of the open of the previous and the close of the previous bar. So from here, open and close, you can see basically the candles are nothing but the average of all the 4 action points, all the 4 price actions, right? And it is open and the close average. So that is why the name has come here, which is Heiken Ashi. Heiken means average, Ashi means pace or bar. So average bars being formed in Japanese is called Heiken Ashi. All right. So now let me take you to the graph and explain you. You may be finding it a bit more complicated, but when I'll explain you, you'll find it very simple. So here what is very important is, remember one thing, that Heiken Ashi is very good to filter out filtering out, just a second. Here. So this is what you have here, this is a Zerodha graph. Let me just remove it first and foremost. Let me have the normal candle. This is a Nifty 15 minutes graph, right? You see some red candles, you see some green candles, some red candle, and different kinds of candles. Can you see here? Each and every candle is different, right? Some has some has just the sellers, right? A solid red candle. Some has upper wick and the lower wick. You can see here. Some has the upper tail and the bottom tail, right? Some has no tail, right? Some has flat head. Some will have the flat bottom, right? And so on and so forth. And what happens, those people who are experts of technical analysis actually read these candles very, very smartly. This basically represents price action, but it's very, very noisy. People who begin in the market, for them it becomes very noisy. So what is done, Japanese kept on improving their technology about candlestick patterns, and from there they developed the Heiken Ashi candle. Now what I'm going to do, this is 15 minutes graph. I'm going to put Heiken Ashi candle on this particular graph, or any part wherever you want. You can just put it and see. Now see here, the graph has become green, 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 red, 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 green, 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 then red, then green, green. I mean, the choppiness in the market, like the fluctuations that you could see over there, only red, only green, only green, only green, right? It gives basically more visual clarity, right? And these candles are very good to identify reversal patterns, reversal as well as the continuation pattern. So I want to make it just bigger. As I told you, that the basically where does it open? If you see, let me put a line here. Let's say this is the candles, open, and this is the close. Next candle will always form from the middle of it, right? Then next candle starts from here and mark the mid, and this will start from the middle, right? See here, anywhere you will find the beginning of the next candle from the middle, right? So this is the beauty of this, it is very, very eye pleasing, and besides that, it filters out the noise in the market. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you the same thing with normal candlestick pattern. See, it's here because it's trending. Let me take you some other place where there is continuous, different colors of candlesticks, and we'll see what's happening here. Let's see this part. Let's see what's happening here. I'm going to change display to the Heiken Ashi candle. So there's a choppiness in the market, but still, part of it is green, part of it is red, right? Continuation, and then, right? So when the market becomes indecisiveness, you will see, I'll tell you what kind of candles exist in Heiken Ashi. There are only 3 kinds of candles that exist in the Heiken Ashi candlestick pattern. So the first kind of candlestick is basically called the bullish candle, right? Bullish candle is flat bottom. It's green in color, flat bottom, there is no lower wick, and it goes up, right? And there's a tail in the upper direction. You can see here, you are being able to see the tail at the top, right? This tail you can see, this is what you have. This is called a bullish candle, right? This is one kind of candle. Second kind of candle is called the bearish candle, right? What happens in bearish candle? You have a flat head, right? You have a flat head like here. This is the flat head, and the tail will be at the bottom, right? You can see this. And how the bearish candle formed, it'll take the previous day's high plus previous day's low and half of it, and see here, the candle will begin here. This candle's high and this candle's low and close, high and close by 2 will give me next candle's beginning, right? These are flat head candles. These are called bearish candles, right? Bigger the size, more is the momentum. Remember that. Smaller size means there could be a possibility of reversal. There could be possibility of reversal. Now, let me just explain you further. Look into this part, right? Look into this part. We start from here. See, if you learn Heiken Ashi candles, life will become very, very simple. Very, very simple. I'll give you strategies, simple strategies. By using them, you can really create good amount of money. So here, let's say we start from here, this part, and flat bottom candle, and look at the size of the candle. It's becoming bigger, bigger, bigger. See here, right? The candle size have become smaller, right? Pretty much an indication that there could be a reversal in the, it will soon be a reversal coming up, right? Now, there is third kind of candle, which is called the doji, right? If you get a doji of the same color in the continuation, it really is not an alarming thing. Doji means you have a tail at the top and a tail at the bottom. Both the sides you have the tail. Like this one is a doji. It basically shows indecisiveness in the market. This one is a doji, right? But green, after green, you got a red doji, right? Different color. Means there is a reversal possibility, right? Combine it with the MACD RSI and you have a trade in making. Now see here, let's see somewhere else. Now here it's going up, 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 and there's a doji formed, right? Please remember, if the body of the doji is smaller, it simply means the pressure is higher. The upper and the lower wicks also need to be longer, and the body of the doji has to be smaller, right? So these dojis actually show the the depletion in the pattern. See the size of these red candles, although flathead candles, but each successive candle has become smaller. Okay, now see here. This is a very solid momentum that you have got, right? Very rarely it will happen. So it will happen that from a green flat bottom candle, it will reverse to the flathead red candle. This is only going to happen when the day is going to change, right? Otherwise, the pattern will always show you a transition, right? Anywhere you look at anywhere, red candle, doji, then green candle, then green candle, doji, and then red candle. Then you can look anywhere, whenever there's a reversal pattern, green candles, then dojis, and the reversal pattern. So basically, what I want to tell you here is there's a warning that you get. So one thing again I want to say, I probably have not told you about it, that Heiken Ashi candles are delayed candles. Means the signal that you get for selling or buying or the trend reversal, you get after some time, right? So that delay basically makes you filter out a lot of noise. That delay makes you be sure about the trade, right? What I can suggest you, I'm going to tell you the strategies in the next few videos when I finish talking about the Heiken Ashi candles. So I want to show you this part in the normal candles. See here. Now we talk about this candle which is formed at 9:15, 9:30. This candle, if you see here, this is our first candle. This is second candle. This is the third candle. This is the fourth candle. This is the fifth candle. This is the sixth candle. And this one is the seventh candle. Eighth candle and ninth candle. And we're going to talk about all of them by changing the, display only. Let's see how it goes. So see how the candles have changed now. Right? I'm going to once again show you that what's happening with respect to the initial candles. Now see here, fourth and fifth are showing you that there will be a reversal happening. But if I change it to the Heiken Ashi candle, fourth candle is a green candle still. Fifth is also a green, but it's a doji. That means the sign of weakness has come little later. I hope I'm making sense. You have see here, the fourth candle is red candle here, kind of a signal that there are sellers increasing in the market. Fifth is again a dominating red candle, right? But Heiken Ashi candle, fourth Heiken Ashi candle is actually, you will see from here, is a green candle, right? Fifth is a green doji. Sixth is a red doji. And seventh, when would you enter into it? When a flathead doji will appear, right? Eighth candle is where you will enter, right? Let's see what's happening at that time. So eighth candle is here. This is what you will enter, and depending upon what kind of trade you do, are you an intraday trader, or definitely it gives you 10 points, right? My rule for trading in Heiken Ashi candle is 10 points if I'm using 15 minutes time frame. Sure shot 10 points. But you have to fine tune your eyes with what's like formation of the candlestick patterns, right? So you have to fine tune your eyes with the candlestick pattern. Now one more thing I want to show you, this particular part, right? Let me write down here. I'm going to write here once again the numbers. Let me take a different color so that we can just see it more carefully, clearly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, sorry. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Right? Now I'm going to change it to the normal candle. These are normal candlestick pattern. I'm going to change them into Heiken Ashi candles. You will be able to see the difference. Now see, these are the Heiken Ashi candles, right? These, I want to once again show you so that you have a clarity. When next day market open, there was a gap up opening, right? Now how's this gap up opening going to look the next day in Heiken Ashi candles? As I told you, it will be previous day's high plus low. This is the high of the previous day. This is the low of the previous day. Middle of it, the candle is going to begin, right? Now let's see, we convert this into a Heiken Ashi candle and see what's happening exactly at the same point, middle of it, it started. right? You don't have the beginning here at the top. It starts from right here and then it goes here. First doji has appeared, right? This flathead candle is basically an indication for us to go short, right? Flathead candle, a red color. Now see here very clearly, very clearly. Oh, market is going up, up, up because the green candles, but watch out these candles. Very big candle, smaller, smaller, smallest. What's happening? What does this indicate? That the momentum of buyers is reducing every single second. Then you get the sixth candle, which is a doji of different color. These were all green. This one is a red candle. What does it identify? What does it signify? It signifies that the reversal is coming up, and you sell here at the top of the seventh candle, and it will bring you down to. We shot it at 10,426. It came down to 10,396. Let's see what's happening in the normal candlestick pattern, right? So we get the confirmation here on the seventh candle here at this point. So this is all confusion. This is all noise, which has been filtered out by Heiken Ashi candles. I hope I'm making sense, right? Because there will be some advantages, some disadvantages, which I'm going to talk maybe in the next class. For today, I think this is what I would like to share. But guys, please, understand Heiken Ashi. I'm going to give you lots and lots of techniques based on Heiken Ashi candle, so that you can have profitable trades every single day, right? With this, I'm signing off. We're going to meet tomorrow again. I'll try. Tomorrow is Saturday. If I could continue tomorrow, because I'm now resolutely determined to teach you guys, about stock market. Whether you do course or you don't do course, you can join our advisory, whatever you want to do. But my mission is once again clear and simple, that I'm going to be starting with, simple, basic technical courses, and I'm going to build it up over here in the advanced level. So when you join my advanced courses, you have some basic knowledge. So today's class, all what I've done is today we have started with a fresh course about Heiken Ashi candles. Really understand it. I'm going to give you beautiful, simple techniques to trade in the market, right? Good day, guys. Enjoy. Learn with me, and I'm doing a lot of research only for you guys, only and only for you guys, so that you can mint money every day in the market. Bye bye. Good day. See you tomorrow.